Check, mic check. Hey guys, Jesse here, the AI Gorilla. I get asked this all the time. I'm doing another breakdown video. This is just breakdown of my revenue. It's late at night. It's 12:30 at night here in Alaska. Still doing some work. Uploading an album right now to my main artist, actually. Just got done making the album covers. Working on Ghost of Radio. I'm actually setting up on the other screen. Ghost of Radio. To be automated. I haven't published a video on here in 90 days almost, and I need to publish a video or it's going to probably lose monetization. So I'm about to get automated utilizing Clawbot. That's so you see it's only paid like $9. Uploading main artist. Sorry, I'm tired. See, I'm doing some dark blues music and stuff. So let's break down this revenue. I've made almost $80,000. If you want to know how I made this, go watch all my courses. So I'm super tired, right? Sorry. Go watch all my course videos. We're going to go through the revenue real quick, month by month, because I've been asked for this again, and I'm going to post this in the school community as well. Start with May 2025 when I published my first songs. I made $1.38. Published an album. I made that on some sea shanties. Actually, somebody bought my songs on iTunes, and that's how I got paid. And I was like, OMG, this is wild. Let me make some music. June, $75. I doubled down. I was like, let's start publishing music. July. And you know, this is kind of retroactive. When I saw the money, it wasn't this much. 90 days in. This is 4 months in. $187, right? So you got to have some patience. What are we on right now? We're in July. August. This is when I seen over $1,000 in a month. I was like, oh, this is wild. It's going to keep going, keep going. I'm just heading here at nights just like I am now. Family's sleeping. I'm awake, grinding, trying to get out of the rat race. You know, boom. September, over 2Gs. I jump on, made a video, like, once I hit $2,000, and I want to say it was actually like November when I really saw this money, because I get paid after this date. This money hits the account, most of this afterwards. It says September, but it pays in like November, and even later sometimes. Some of that money, even from like December, etc., after views been verified. So what's that? September, we'll go to October. See, $12,000. So what's that? May, June, July, August, September, October. 6 months to hit a $10,000 month plus. All right, 6 months. This is still 2 or 3 artists, right? But mostly coming from the main artist. I've been doubling down. You know, we're at over 1,000 songs here under one artist, published to YouTube Music. Okay, not just Spotify, but published everywhere. I know YouTube's buffering people now, and it's buffering me too. November. $20,000 that month, supposedly. I didn't see $20,000 that month. I saw that December was my first $20,000 month. So you got to realize some of this money actually hit the bank down here in November, or in December or January. So we'll go to December. 21,000. So we had like $20,000 month that month for sure. Then January. Says we only did 12,000 that month. And then February says we only did 9,000 that month. But we know that was inaccurate. So something's skewed here. Because the withdrawals are different. But total withdrawals. 20,000 over 20,000. So streams are down this month. I think we're getting even less, but we're processing right now. So far this month, we've made $10,000 in total payouts. Now, some of these are streams, and this is why it's confusing when you look at it retroactively. Some of these are streams from like September, right? So this money that's in here now is getting put back retroactively when you look at this. So I figured out that's why it's skewed for me. I was like, this money isn't adding up. And but also I don't do public math, so I don't trust my math. This is where we're at this month. Mostly YouTube ads and the majority of the money. And we'll go break down now. You see where I started. And this doesn't mean you're going to be able to have this success. They're like, oh, I can do it. This is what's going to happen. Like, you got to double down. You got to remake your song. You got to like pick your best song and then use it as your inspiration and just make more music. It is about that simple, but you got to listen to it. You got to make sure it sounds okay. And then you got to get it uploaded. And you got to do the work. And you see my first videos, go watch back to my first videos. I'm doing individual WAVs. Now we got software making it fast. Watch all my courses, right? Watch all my course videos, the free course videos. It's literally a playlist of like 11 videos of like my entire process from beginning to end, multiple times in different ways. I even created new artists. I'm not saying they're great, but I created them as examples for you to follow. You know, not because I'm like, oh, these are going to be the best artists ever, but like as something to show you on exactly how I'm doing this. Apple Music, iTunes, Spotify, Deezer, $500. Tidal, right? Just randomly paid me. I think they just started paying me. But here's YouTube ads, YouTube Red, biggest payer. But even right now, you can see that's $79,000, almost $80,000. Unbelievable amount of money, by the way. Is not all YouTube, but at least half. But Spotify pays a lot of it now. It's caught up. It wasn't at first. It was mostly YouTube leading the way, but Spotify just takes a long time to pay. You got some Amazon Pay. And yeah, I'm the most transparent guy on YouTube, so I always think it's funny when people think that I'm not sharing what I'm doing, but I mean, it's my like entire bank here. At the risk of people spamming me, which they do all day, and stealing my accounts and trying to steal my information and directly imitating me. Literally, there's someone out there, they called their artist Velvala Vikings. Like, why would you even use my same name, bro, and try to publish music? I hope you're watching this video. That's messed up, bro. But hope they take down your account for imitation. But yeah. Oh, my other computer's closing. I got mouses. That's all I got. I just wanted to do the breakdown video for everyone. I'm super tired. I'm going to bed after I'm done uploading this album here. All that good stuff. So, yeah. Peace. I'm gonna kill this video.
Yeah. Boot up. Load in. Watch this. Yeah. Forget the haters. I'm getting paid. Turn all that talking into upgrade. They write my name. I'm getting paid. I built a gold mine out of they shade. Forget the haters. I'm getting paid. Scroll all that venom. That's my raise. Keep running plays on what I made. I'm getting paid. Off the hate, yeah. Pale kid, small town, dial up dreams. Now my face and they just saying real rap memes. Cool, keep posting, I need that reach. Every complaint, put a yacht on the beach. You type essays, I type prompts. You burn daylight, I flip fonts. You want real skill, I want real bills. Who you think when the one that dust all steals? They mad at the source, I'm mad at the bank. Money too loud, can't hear what they think. Every this trash, coming in caps. Turn to a check while you taking your naps. Forget the haters, I'm getting paid. Turn all that talking into upgrade. They write my name, I'm getting paid. I built a gold mine out of they shade. Forget the haters, I'm getting paid. Scroll all that venom, that's my race. Keep running plays on what I made. I'm getting paid. Off the hate, yeah. All the hate. You refresh views, I refresh rates. Every new thread just face my stakes. Industry plan, say it louder, please. Algorithm low when you feed his needs. They say I cheat, I say I scale. You stuck in pride, I'm stuck in mail. They throw bricks, I pave new lanes. You throw fits, I throw champagne. That ain't got rhythm, suburban sons. Still got more rhythm in my funds. Day one, you can keep score on who's more pure. I'll keep score on who's more secure. Forget the haters, I'm getting paid. Turn all that talking into upgrade. They write my name, I'm getting paid. I built a gold mine out of they shade. Forget the haters, I'm getting paid. Scroll all that venom, that's my race. Keep running plays on what I made. I'm getting paid. Off the hate.